Hey everyone, welcome back. If the CommBank app stopped working after an update, this usually happens when the update did not install properly or your phone software is not compatible yet. First, start by restarting your phone to clear temporary system issues. Next, open the App Store or the Google Play Store and check if there is another CommBank update available, as banks often release quick fixes. Then make sure your phone's operating system is also updated to the latest version. After that, if the app still does not work, go ahead and long press on the app icon, then remove app, delete app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for the app, and reinstall it from the official store only. Log in again and allow all the required permissions when prompted, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.